There are names that history tried to bury. Names whispered through generations, carried on the wind across mountains and through rivers. One such name belongs to a woman who refused to be forgotten. Her name is Nanny, Queen Nanny, Granny Nanny, and she changed the course of a nation. Born around 1686 in West Africa, in the region we now call Ghana, Nanny came from the Akan people, a lineage of warriors, spiritual leaders, and royalty. Torn from her homeland and brought to the shores of Jamaica in chains, she carried with her something no slaver could take, an unbreakable will. She escaped, and she didn't run alone. In the mist-covered peaks of the Blue Mountains, Nanny led the Windward Maroons, a community of formerly enslaved Africans, their children, and their families, building a fortress of freedom called Nanny Town. High above the valleys, shrouded in cloud and jungle, it was nearly impossible to reach. For decades, the British Empire sent soldiers to crush her. They failed. Nanny was a military genius who used the terrain itself as a weapon. Ambushes along narrow mountain passes, camouflage woven from the forest, and drumbeats that echoed like thunder to disorient her enemies. She won battle after battle, humiliating one of the most powerful armies on earth. Today, Nanny of the Maroons stands as one of Jamaica's 7 national heroes, and the only woman among them. Her face graces the Jamaican $500 bill. Her legacy lives in every soul who dares to fight for freedom. She was not just a leader, she was a force of nature.